We all love us a good ready-to-wear wig. I mean, straight out the box. No bleaching, no plucking. Straight out the box with curls. That's exactly what I was saying. Let's get into this wig unit from Luvme Hair Company. Shout out to Luvme Hair Company for sending me this bomb. And when I say bomb, I mean bomb wig unit, y'all. When I say this hair is tea, it's so soft. The lace is very thin and does exactly what's needed. So, of course, it's glueless. It's a 7x6 HD 24-inch body wave wig unit that's ready to wear straight out the box, of course. So I went ahead and added my own curls because I just love me some layers down. I feel like the layers just add to the wig or any style that you decide to do. I don't know who need to hear this, but stop being scared to cut them layers. You will get it right. And regardless, and if you chop it up or not, I promise you, them curls gonna eat down, okay? Y'all see me right here just chopping. But guess what? When I put them curls in, it was layered real cute, real nice, and gave what it's supposed to have gave. When you don't add layers in your hair, your curls fall because they are too heavy. Add them layers because then it start to feather. Just play around with it. But anyways, I'm just showing y'all how I do my curls. I do them upwards because I feel like they just look better in my opinion. But go ahead and add your powder foundation to your lace so that it can look exactly like your scalp, of course. And then take them curls out. Make sure they cool down first because if your curls still hot when you take them out, that curl gonna drop. So you want to make sure your curls are cooled down before you take them down to style them. But all right here I'm just playing around with it and it just gave something like this. Like, you couldn't tell me nothing, honey. Yeah, it gave everything that was supposed to give. Now I'm like, where I'm about to go? I need to go outside. I need to show my hair off. Like, what's the mood? Like, where the pool parties at? Because you see the hair, you see the material. We outside. No, but seriously though, for this price right here, you cannot beat this. When I say ready to wear, good quality, no shedding, y'all. No shedding at all whatsoever. You definitely gonna get your money's worth with this. I ain't even gonna hold you. Watch this. You see that? Yeah. Go ahead and add this to your cart. This wig was so easy to install. You could install it on a train, on a plane, on a bus, in a car. The list goes on. You can literally install this outside if you have to. It's that easy. Just go ahead and add this to your cart right now because you're going to appreciate this. This one for the books.